Hi, my name is Madhavi Pare. I'm an IT professional. I've been in this field for about 20 years. Um, Recently, took a course from Infyni on Python. Basically, I took this course so I can learn Python and so that I can teach my son and his robotics team on coding the robotics missions using Python. So they've been using block coding so far, and the plan was to move to Python so that we can more uh, run the robot missions with more accuracy and effectiveness. So it was a good course, and Uttam was the instructor, and then he did a great job. It was good to know the foundations of Python, so I could build on top of it by learning other things like device integration and web interfaces and things like that. So thank you, Infini. Thank you, Uttam, for the course. Really enjoyed it. Thank you.